Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to exchange a defective product ordered from Lazada or wrong item sent by the seller. So if you receive a defective product or wrong item from Lazada, you can either return or refund it, or you can exchange for another one of the same product. And one way to do that is to message the seller. You can find the chat button on the app. Here is a product I ordered from Lazada. It is a gimbal stabilizer which I bought for 525 baht. I charged it overnight and it has been just giving me a red light since this morning. So I tried to use it and it turned on for about 2 minutes but then it died again. So I messaged the seller to see if I could exchange this for another one and she was okay with it.
And your address.
Address of my address?
Yes, and sender address.
Two. Sender address and
Send
my
back.
address.
Okay, that you send back.
Okay.
Sinulat na number mo siya.
Sinulat. Hindi na. My number? You want my number? Yung number mo sinulat mo? So I sent this in on the 18th of November, and she received it on the 23rd. So after the 23rd, on the 30th, I didn't receive the product back. And so I messaged her again, and I told her that can I have an update which on the parcel I sent on November 18, because after 7 days I still haven't gotten the parcel back or the item back, and she was not giving an answer. So I messaged her again and I told her that I need to know because I was making a review of the product. And then she gave me a reply which she said I will give you later. And so that on that same day she sent it to me. After 2 days I updated again, and she told me that she already sent it. So this was ordered in the 11/11 sale, and I got it on the 18th. I sent it back on the 19th, and on the 30th, that's when she sent it back to me. So that is like almost half a month of waiting. So I already got the product after which was like after on the 3rd, okay, the next day, 3rd or 4th. Actually it was on the 4th, yes. So she sent it on the 30th and I got it on the 4th of December.